And then when it gets to the point of, hey, what do you charge? You can say, oh, I can charge whatever you like. We actually have what's called a menu of services. You can charge, I can charge you whatever you'd like to pay. We have a silver, gold, or platinum package. Let me show you a little bit about what that is. What that does is that eliminates that pressure of the number you charge is too much. We should negotiate with them or not choose them at all. Maybe interview other agents. Now it's a yes or yes option. So what if you could actually get more listings every single month and have zero pressure on the listing commission that you charge? I'm Greg Luther and I coach agents all over the country. I want to show you a really quick approach that you can use so you never have to worry about the commission structure that you charge again. Very cool approach. We've got agents all over the country using this and I think you're going to love it. And here's why. A lot of times in your listing presentations, you're going to be building value, building rapport, showing them a little bit about what you do, but that pressure's building, how much does he charge? Right? And a lot of times you'll even have the homeowner speak to you and say, hey, that all sounds great. How much do you charge? No matter what you say, the pressure builds. I don't care if you say, well, we charge a 6% fee. That silence, that pressure starts to build. And then you'll say things like, well, but I really like you guys, and what I can do is I can do it at 5.5% for you. Whatever that problem is that you have, what if you never have to quote a commission again? Here's what I want to have happen. You build value, you build your bulletproof listing presentation, you show them a little bit about what you can do, and then when it gets to the point of, hey, what do you charge? You can say, oh, I can charge whatever you like. We actually have what's called a menu of services. You can charge, I can charge you whatever you'd like to pay. We have a silver, gold, or platinum package. Let me show you a little bit about what that is. What that does is that eliminates that pressure of the number you charge is too much. We should negotiate with them or not choose them at all. Maybe interview other agents. Now it's a yes or yes option. Or in this case, yes, yes, or yes option. So what we do is, let's say they have a brother that's in real estate, or they already interviewed another lady from another brokerage that said they do it at 5%. We offer all of those options, but we show them there's tremendous value from moving up the ladder. So Mr. and Mrs. Seller, we can either do the silver package, gold package, or platinum package. Let me show you a little bit about what I mean. If you're familiar with traditional real estate agents, they simply list it on the MLS, put a sign in the yard, maybe run a couple of basic ads. That listing is then syndicated to a couple hundred websites, Zillow, Realtor.com, that type of thing. We can do that option. That's what I call basic listing. Obviously, you don't have a very good chance of selling your house. I'm sure you've seen there's a lot of homes that haven't sold in this area, but we can go with the silver option. That's only 5%. If you want to go with the gold option, we offer everything that's in the silver package, but we're also going to do this, and this. Or, if you really want to get your home sold by getting it exposed to the most opportune buyers and using a target marketing approach, we could go with the platinum package. That's a 7% fee. That's everything in silver, everything in gold, and it also has this, and this. Now, don't worry about what the this and this is. It's whatever you offer. So you don't have to worry about what I'm saying here. A lot of this may not even make sense to you if you don't offer it in your market. But the premium things, the staging service, the extended marketing that you're doing, the overage of marketing, to magazine ads or websites or a television show or whatever it is, the drone photos, the drone videos, those would all be the premium services. Let me tell you why this is such an advantage for you. Because homeowners know they can be let off the hook, they can go cheap, but now they're looking at options that maybe they actually do want more, right? I don't want to buy a new car and I got to hand crank the windows. I want the power window option and I'm willing to pay more for that. So what we can do, and by the way, commissions are negotiable. You can make this 5.5, 6, 6.5. You can make it 6, 7, 8. You can make it 5, 5.5, 6. Whatever you want to do, you can do, and we have agents all over the country who've been doing this for a long, long time. By the way, if you're not doing this, you got to get coached up on how to do this. I want you to go to closingseverymonth.com. I do a training on Wednesday. You can join for free, and I'm going to show you not only this, but a lot of different ways you can generate business for yourself. That's at closingseverymonth.com. But again, what we want to do is offer silver, gold, or platinum. Here's the reason this is important. If I want to buy a drill, I go to the hardware store and I see they've got cordless drills, $59, $79, or $99, okay? I already know I'm not buying the $59 drill because it's going to fall apart as soon as I open the package. Now I'm looking at, do I want $79 or $99? Well, the $99 one has a second battery. Do I need that? It has more torque. Do I need that? Or am I okay with this? What you'll find is if given 3 options, anybody in America, good, better, or best, if given 3 options, the vast majority are going to choose between better and best. Because now they don't want to identify themselves as someone that goes with the cheap option. Right? That's why not everybody shops at Walmart, right? That's why not everybody drives a Kia or whatever the lowest priced car is out there. They prefer options, okay? This isn't the cheapest suit that you can find. People are going to go with better or best. So what we're doing is we're letting the pressure off. We're letting the homeowner off the hook of, okay, how much do you charge? And we say 5.5%. And they're, that seems like an awful lot. We got a guy over here that'll do it at 5% or 4% or whatever that number is. Yeah, we can do the cheap stuff if you want. We can do what other agents do, or if you want to do the premiums, we can do that. And what I found, the numbers that I've tracked as best as we can track them with the agents that I coach, is out of every 10 transactions you get, you're going to find, quite literally, 2, 5, 3. Okay? 2, 5, 3. So 2 of them are going to take the cheap stuff. And here's why. It's the lower end homes. They don't have much equity. They can't afford to pay you. As much as they'd love to have all this service, they can't afford to pay you. But that's the breakdown of the 10. So this is true. Even when I hear agents say, Greg, you don't understand. In my area, everybody listed at 5%. We're getting 7. We're getting 8 in some areas. Offer more value. Okay, so again, everybody lists a home at 5%. Yeah, we will too if you want to just list your home. If you actually want some better services, this is what we can do. Now, going into more detail, and again, I cover this at closingseverymonth.com. I want you to register there for our Wednesday training. It'll help you tremendously on how do I get the leads to begin with, how do I get out there to the appointment. But one thing we'll do is we'll give a solid bulletproof listing presentation. We'll show them the 3 options. Silver, gold, or platinum. And if we don't get that transaction right there on the spot, generally they'll say, I think gold would be best for us. Okay, let's go into pricing your house. We got the deal. And we get it priced. But if they don't choose today, or they want to think about it, or can you leave this behind for us to consider, or whatever, I'll say, yeah, that's no problem at all. Now, what we can do, my advertising cutoff for our online marketing is actually tomorrow. So it would be a benefit for both of us if you are ready to take action tonight. Now, I don't want to force you to list your home. I don't want to put any weird sales pressure on you or anything. However, if you guys are ready to take action here tonight, and I'll answer any questions that you have to make sure you're truly comfortable, but if you're ready, that's going to be a benefit for me and you because I can get it into tomorrow's online ads. If you are ready tonight, I'm willing to offer you the platinum package, and I can do it at the gold fee. Is that something that would make sense for you? Would you guys rather go ahead and think about it? I'm fine either way, but that's a benefit for both of us. So I can offer you the platinum package at the gold fee if you are truly ready to sign tonight. You'd be surprised, 50% of the time, they're ready to go. And a lot of people, when making a big decision like that, they just want to think about it. So if you can give them a financial benefit to taking action now, much like when a new construction company says these benefits are going to expire at the end of the month, everybody wants to buy right now. Right? So anyway, menu of services is an awesome way for you to eliminate all sales pressure, all commission structure issues, and when they say, how much do you charge, you can say, whatever you want. Let me show you my menu of services. Okay? And I think you'll find that the most generally 2, 5, 3 is what you're going to find out of every 10 listings you take. 2 of them take the cheapie, 5 of them take middle of the road, and that's true on the cordless drills too, right? And 3 of them take the premium. So this is something you can use in your business. I offer this to all my members. Again, don't worry about the bullet points. Make them your bullet points. Whatever you offer, whatever your company offers, that type of thing. Don't worry about that side. That's the minutia details. Worry about the 3 that you're charging, or the 3 you're offering, and what you're going to charge in these spots. I don't care what the average is in your area or what everybody else does, because everybody else only offers this. That's what listing your home is. Frankly, in your market, there are people that will list the home on the MLS for 1%. So if you think you're going against competition, what if we step up what we offer compared to the competition. You can charge a premium. You can make a lot more. Trust me, Rolls-Royce doesn't care how much Chevys are selling for. So you've got to have your business the same way. Here's what I want you to do. Comment below. First of all, is this helpful for you? Leave a comment below. Is this helpful for you to grow your business, to get better commissions, to go out to a listing appointment and say, oh my gosh, I can't believe they chose 7%. I've never taken a 7% listing in my life, and the seller volunteered it to me. They said, we want the best that we can get. We want to sell our home for the most amount of money, and we know that the exposure will make that happen. Is this helpful for you? Leave a comment below. Make sure you like this video as well so you'll see others just like this. And most importantly, register for the upcoming training. It's totally free. Closingseverymonth.com. This is a very small piece of what you need to be doing to get in front of more motivated buyers and sellers and then do an awesome job of providing value for them. I'm Greg Luther. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. I'll see you on the Wednesday training at closingseverymonth.com. We'll talk soon. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.